Hey guys, in addition to repairing phones, we also sell used devices. Now, they're not refurbished, they're just used phones. Refurbished means that the phone was damaged on the assembly line, removed and refurbished and fixed. We don't really trust those phones. It becomes a mystery once they're repaired. These are all original phones from Samsung or from Apple that have not been repaired before. So it's all Apple original parts. If you need a phone, you lost your phone, you war damaged your phone, you want to buy a phone for a friend or family, or you're traveling international, these are all unlocked and guaranteed by us. Here's a Samsung S10 with 1 terabyte of storage for only $429. This is a Samsung S21 Ultra, practically brand new. We're only selling it for $599. I think it goes for about $800 to $900. So it's a really good deal. You can buy a phone from us, and you can easily sell it again to someone else if you wanted to. This is the iPhone 13, 256 gigabytes for only $729. If you bought this in the store, you pay an extra $400, but it's slightly used, but it is practically brand new. You get a free charging cable with every phone. Here we have 2 used iPhone 12s, 64 gigabyte unlocked. If you have a child who needs a learner phone or a starter phone, we have very cheap phones as well. Or you just want a quick phone temporarily while you're traveling, or you lost your phone or someone stole it. Here's an iPhone 6s, 32 gig for $149, an iPhone 8, 64 gig with wireless charging for $249, and even an iPhone 7, 32 gig unlocked for $189. We have over 40 phones for sale. We're here 7 days a week. We're happy to help you out. And when you bring us your broken old phone to transfer to a new phone, we'll do all the data transfer for free for you. So stop in anytime, 7 days a week, and let's talk phones.